Minds. If you thought GREs and GMATs were difficult, wait till you see what Aspiring Minds has up its sleeve. Chaitra Singh brings us the story.
Deciding on a college after you finish school can be quite a dilemma for many. But if you manage to take your GMAT or your GRE, a lot of avenues open up. Now what if someone told you the same can be done for jobs as well? Wondering what I'm talking about? Well, here's what it is.
Meet Himanshu Agarwal, a BTech in Computer Science from IIT, and his partner Varun Agarwal, with an MS in Computer Science from MIT and an expert in Artificial Intelligence. Together the two set up the company Aspiring Minds that deals with the employment issue.
Aspiring Minds is a 2.5-year-old company, started 2007, basically in the space of employability assessment and helping both student community get jobs as well as corporates hire in a more efficient and consistent manner.
Their magic mantra, AMCAT, the only employability test in the country. The content of the test is based on what every employer looks for across board. The first one is language, under which English being the predominant language. The second would be the aptitude module. Here they check your logical ability and quantitative analysis. The third is skill specific. Here you take a test that is specific to your line of interest, be it computers, engineering, finance, etc. And the fourth is the personality assessment. This helps you decipher what job really you would be good at. $50,000 as initial capital and $500,000 of first round of funding later, Aspiring Minds is expected to have a turnover of $300,000 in this financial year. With those figures, one has to admit the test is definitely a success. And Dhruv Agarwal of iTrust could not agree more.
We started using Aspiring Minds last year for our campus hiring. What we found that when we went to campuses, we had to spend a lot of time and resources trying to interview many students before we actually shortlisted them for a second round of interviews and the group discussion. Aspiring Minds helped us reduce our time spent by actually administering a test for the larger group of students, based on which we could actually create the shortlist for the interview and the group discussion.
Dhruv definitely seems to be cashing in on the convenience factor. But if you're not a hotshot corporate and are just a student, then, well, not to worry. The team goes out to college campuses and conducts these tests on continuous basis. And if you manage to miss them even then, just get on to my.aspiringminds.in and schedule a test for yourself.
Aspiring Minds seems to have cracked the employability dilemma that students and corporates normally go through. No wonder their next plan of action is to make sure that they increase the accessibility test to the smallest of towns and the biggest of companies.